this should be interesting. This is my first time actually snowboarding in 5 years. I'm actually kind of nervous, but it's going to be a heck of a lot of fun. And I think I'm at the end of the line here. I got to put my bindings in. Alright, first time down here. I haven't wiped out yet. I usually ski or do the trick skis. Those are always fun. Look at that. That's fun. This is by far the hardest place I've ever been. My third time down. Finally get the hang of things again. I can actually turn. Watch. Whoa. I just turned, man. I think the most important thing is just controlling your speed. I should have got a helmet actually. 100% should have got a helmet, but that's okay. It seems like everything at this hill is a black diamond except for like this one little lake right here, which is manageable for someone who's just like, you know, getting back into it. I'm like, where's the hill that you go to when you haven't done this since you were like 4 feet tall? I want that hill. I'm like, there's only one out of like 12 runs. I'm like, okay. Ooh, someone else with a GoPro in front of me. Let's go investigate. This thing is fast. This is so much faster than I'm used to. I feel like I'm Superman. The classic 1 foot under the board. Look at these guys go down. They're cruising. Well, this guy's on the ground. He fell down. That's me right there. Maybe I should hit some jumps. Last time I went skiing, actually snowboarding, I went off a jump and landed right on my freaking hip. Like, yep, I'm done doing jumps for the night. The only other place I snowboarded at was a really, really small hill. So like, anything other than that is like, holy crap, this seems like someone got hurt over there. Ski crew's over there helping them out. That's always a bad thing. You got 3 people right next to you with the ski patrol. Went off a huge jump over there. Dude, look at this freaking view of the city though. That is so sick. Like, I think I'm more impressed with the view than I am with like the actual snowboarding part of it. I love it. Now, I wish I could get a house right on top of this hill. I don't know why people don't got a house up here, but this would be the best spot. The drive would suck, but the view would be great. Internet and cell service probably would be great if you have like, you know, anything, like even Sprint would probably be good right here. You know, there's a tower right there for Sprint.